Hey there, we're going to answer common questions that we get here. So let's get on with question number three. So, how do branded event toolkits help do the selling for you? When you get clear on your programming and messaging, we can design content and activities that plant seeds to your offer and give them a taste of your unique flavor. If you've got the right recipe for the right audience, then they will be hungry for more of what you are serving up. Want more bright ideas for branded event toolkits to grow your audience into raving fans? Then come and take a bite out of our next video.